Hello guys, some weeks ago we dropped a video on how to integrate API using the new ChatGPT-powered API integration. After integrating API, the next thing is to add packages, different packages, MTN 1 gig, MTN 2 gig, Glo, SME, MTN SME 1 gig, and so on and so forth, as many packages as you want to add. So how do we add packages after integrating a new API? Let's get started. From your home page, click on the Let's Get Started button. Log in with your admin credentials. Go to your admin panel. Click on Website and Product Management. Click on the Product tab. Let's use Data Products for example. Click on Add New API Provider and select the API provider that you want to add packages for. So let's use ibconcept.com data for example. This has been integrated, but we've not added any packages for now. So how do we add packages? After selecting the API provider that you want to add packages for, click on Networks and Amounts. You will see a Add Network button. Click on the Add Network button. Tick the available box. This option will make sure that this package is available for your users on the front end. If you don't want your users to see the package, you can just untick it. But if you tick it, the users will be seeing it on the front end. So let's add some packages. Network is the name you want to show your users on the front end. For example, MTN. That's the name I want my users to be seeing on the front end. Network ID is the identifier for that particular network from the API provider. So how do I know the network ID? I will go to the API provider website and check the network ID for MTN. So if your API provider if they don't have this on their website, please chat them up and request for the network ID and the plan ID. So let's go to the IAB Concept website. Let's log in. Go to the pricing page. You will see the network ID for MTN. This is the network ID for MTN. Copy it. Come back here and paste it inside the network ID box. Then there is plan. Plans are something like 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, 500 MB, and so on and so forth. So let's go back here. For MTN network, we have various plans. Let's use this number 1 for example. This is the plan ID for this particular plan. So we come here and enter the plan ID. What's the name you want to show the users for this particular plan? You can use the same name that they used here. MTN. Just copy it. You can use any name you want, it is your choice. The only thing that has to be the exact thing that the API providers use will be the network ID and the plan ID. But for network and plan, you can use any name that you want. So for this particular plan, how much do I want to sell it? Let's say I want to be selling it at 5 naira. We have 4 user levels on this particular software. So the first amount is for user level 1. I can add as many amount as I want. So each amount for each user level. User level 2, let's say I want to be selling it for them at 4 naira. User level 3, I want to be selling it for them at 3 naira. User level 4, I want to be selling it for them at 2 naira, that particular plan. So I can click on add plan to add another plan again under MTN. So you check this, you go back, let's add another plan. This is another plan. Come back and paste it. So what's the plan ID? Copy the plan ID, then paste it under plan ID. Let's assume I want to be selling this for user level 1. I want to be selling it for them at 10 naira. If you want to enable just one user level, you don't need to add all the 4 amounts. You can just add one amount if you only want to be using just one user level. So one amount is enough. Let's say you are done with MTN. You've added as many MTN plans as you want. You want to go to another one. Let's say you want to go to Glow. You click on add network. Check this box. Go back to the API provider website. Let's look for Glow. So what's the plan ID for network ID for Glow? Glow is okay. This is the network ID for Glow. You can use any name that you want. If you like, you can name it Glow SME. Depends on what you want your users to see on the front end. You can do anything you want there. It's only when it comes to the ID that it has to be what the API provider is using. So let's say you want to add this plan. You come here, go to the plan ID, you add it. Which name do you want to use? Name it. You can use the same name they are using. You can use any name you want. That will be in the plan box. So you can add as many plans as you want under Glow. Just be clicking on add plan, add plan, add plan as much as you want. Enter the amount for each plan. Let's say this one is 15 naira. So once you are done adding as many plans as you want, you can also click on add network to add another network. You can add as many networks as you want, and you can add as many plans as you want under each network. So when you are done adding networks and adding plans, you click on update. This will make sure that everything you have been doing is now saved. So now when you go to your front end, your user interface, and click on MTN, you can see the plans. These are the 2 plans that we added for iabconcept.com API provider. These 2 above are added from another API provider. So you can add for as many API providers as you want, as many networks as you want, and as many plans as you want. There is no limitation. So that's how to go about adding plans and networks. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. You can also chat up our support WhatsApp number, or you log into our website www.iabcozeltd.com. Register an account and submit a ticket. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.